Well, hello everybody and welcome to Shopping with Shana. So guys, we haven't had an Advertised deals video in a very long time, but I have a brand new Kroger Advertised deals video for you that is going to start on Wednesday, November 3rd through the 9th of 2021. Now this video, basically, I go through the ad, I do the matchups that we have. So we have some deals. I'm not going to lie, this week, the Advertised deals are not super great, but we do have some deals in here that I want to share with you prior to the sale. So on Wednesday, once the sale actually hits, you can head in and you already know what some of the matchups are. This is going to be a brand new mega sale for buy 10 or more, save 50 cents each. A lot of your Thanksgiving items are going to be a part of this sale, so it's going to be a pretty awesome deal. Before we get going, make sure you hit that subscribe button, ring the notification bell, hit all so you don't miss any of my videos, and let's check out these awesome deals. Okay, so we're going to start with our new mega sale. So the way this works is you have to buy a minimum of 10 participating items. And then once you hit that 10, you're going to get 50 cents off per item. And it can be anything beyond 10. So 10, 11, 12, 13, and so forth. I'm not going to lie, this is going to be a little bit harder of a sale to hit that minimum. We usually have a minimum of 5 or 6. So a minimum of 10 is quite a few items to have to throw in your cart. So you may need some filler items. I'll throw some ideas in on our must-do deals video for Wednesday, but we're going to have some pretty decent deals still. There's going to be some canned food there, so you might not have a huge problem getting to 10. All right, let's talk about Eggland's Best Eggs, a large 12 count. These are regularly priced $3.19. They're going to be on sale for $2.99, but mega sale for $2.49. We have 50 cents off one coupons at Smart Source $9.12, making your final cost just $1.99 each. We also have a deal on the General Mills large cereals. Now these are regularly priced $4.69. They are on sale for $2.99, mega sale for $2.49, and we have a $1 off 2 digital coupon, or you can use the $1.50 off 3 in Smart Source 10.3. So your final cost is just going to be $1.99 each. So these are the large size cereals, and considering they're normally $4.69, $1.99, not a bad deal here. So let's stick with some General Mills cereals here, regularly priced $4.19 for the Chex cereals. They're on sale for $2.49, mega sale for $1.99. And the same 2 coupons that you used on the last slide, you can also use on this slide. So you could mix and match these if you wanted to between the 2 slides. But the $1 off 2 digital or the $1.50 off 3 in Smart Source 10.3. Final cost is going to be $1.49 each. Next, we have a deal on the Blue Diamond almonds, the 6-ounce cans. These are regularly priced $3.99. They're on sale for $3.49, mega sale for $2.99, and we have a $1 off 2 coupon in Smart Source 9.12. Your final cost is going to be $2.49 each. Okay, so if you like these Suja organic juices, I believe that's how you say it. These 12-ounce drinks are regularly priced $3.99. They are on sale for $2.49, mega sale for $1.99. You're going to pay that out of pocket, but Ibotta has a rebate for $1 back on one. It's up to 5 times. So your final cost is going to be 99 cents each. Considering these drinks are almost $4, you're getting a 75% savings. This is a pretty great deal here. Tampax Pearl tampons, the 34 to 36 count, are regularly priced $7.99. No sale price this week, but we do have a mega sale price of $7.49, and we have a $1 off 1 from the P&G 1031. So your final cost is going to be $6.49 each. Okay, next we have the Dove body wash, and this is specifically advertising the body wash foam. These are regularly priced $6.99. They're on sale for $6.49. You're going to save an extra 50 cents with that mega sale price of $5.99. There are coupons that are coming out this Sunday, so they're not available just yet, but there are 3 off 2 coupons and save $11.7. So if this is a product that you want, I would sit on this and wait until we get that coupon on Sunday. Final cost is going to be $3.49 each. Couple deals here. Both of these coupons are going to be coming out again in the Save 11/7, just like the last slide. So these are both deals that you can get after Sunday when we have those coupons available. So Axe deodorants, regularly priced $4.79, on sale for $4.49, mega sale for $3.99. We have a 3 off 2 and Save 11/7 coming soon. Final cost $2.49 each. We also have the Caress body wash that's regularly priced $4.79, on sale for $4.49, mega sale for $3.99. We have the $1 off 1 coupons that are coming in Save 11/7, or there will be a digital available. Final cost is going to be $2.99 each, so not a bad deal there. More deodorant deals here. Now the Degree Dry Spray or the Dove deodorants, especially the ones you see pictured there, are regularly priced $5.79. Getting a little confused there. On sale for $5.49, mega sale for $4.99. There are 4 off 2 coupons again coming out on Sunday in the Save 11/7. So you can grab 2 of these deodorants for just $2.99 each. Not a terrible deal there. Nice big fat coupon like the 4 off 2, but you do have to wait until Sunday to grab this deal. Okay, we have a couple of non-mega sale deals that I want to make you aware of this week. A couple matchups that I think are pretty decent. So let's check these out. First and foremost, I think this is one pretty hot deal, but you don't have to wait until Wednesday for the sale to go into effect. We actually have this Thomas English muffins, bagels, things like that. They are part of the buy one, get one sale that is going on currently. So you do not have to wait until Wednesday to grab this deal. So pretty awesome. What you want to do is grab 2 of the Thomas limited edition everything English muffin 6 count. It does have to be pretty specific because of the Ibotta rebate. They're regularly priced $3.29. They're part of the buy one, get one. So that sale is currently going on, and it will be going on still on Wednesday. So we'll see that go on at least for another week, maybe another 2 weeks. We'll see. Out of pocket, you're going to only pay for one of them because one of them will be free, $3.29. You can then submit to Ibotta for $1.25 back on one. So you're going to actually get that back twice because you grab 2 of them, so you'll get $2.50 back. Your final cost is going to be 79 cents total, or just 40 cents each. Really, really awesome deal right here. All right, I think it's CG's yogurt. Not positive about that, so I apologize. These are regularly priced $1.49. They're on sale for $1.25, and again, this is another one you do not have to wait for Wednesday for the sale to hit because they are currently on sale for this price right now of $1.25 each. There are $1 off 2 printable coupons from their website. I will have it linked in the description box below. You can print those, and your final cost is going to be just 75 cents each, which is a really awesome deal. All right, next, this is part of our weekly digital deals. So this is one you're going to have to load the 5-time weekly digital coupon, but not a bad savings here. So you can grab the Gain Fling 60 count that are regularly priced $16.99, or the Gain liquid that's 154 ounce that's regularly priced $16.99. So you're looking at $17 detergent here. Now it's on sale for $14.99 without the 5-time digital coupon, but you do want to make sure you load that. You can grab up to 5 of them for $11.97 each with that 5-time digital coupon. Now that is a store coupon, and so you can stack a store coupon with a manufacturer coupon. So you can use the 2 off 1 in the Save 1017, making your final cost just $9.97 each. That's saving over $7 per thing, which is amazing. Really great deal here. If you like Gain, let me know in the comments if you are a Gain person. I'm actually more of a Tide person, but lately I've been on whatever is on an amazing sale. So let me know if this is something that you're possibly going to pick up. Now, there's a bunch of other weekly digitals that are available or will be available on Wednesday. I will put those in the must-do deals video for you because we got quite a few of them that I really think are great deals. But this is the only matchup that I could find for you out of all of them that are available. Fingers crossed, maybe we'll get some printable coupons, maybe we'll get some rebates come in, and we'll get some better deals. Okay guys, that's all I have for you. If you like this video, if you like these advertised deals videos, give me a great big thumbs up. Make sure you share this with a friend or you're subscribed to my channel, as I will have new videos out on Wednesday with must-do deals, and hopefully they're going to be amazing. I'm really excited about this mega sale, so I hope it's not disappointing. Have a great week and I'll see you later. Bye.